wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ. I'm a shot a selector boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, and a fight against me thing. Suck on a mama.
Let's go to YouTube. Gang, it's your boy Jambus. I'm back with another hit and I smash now. Bang! Time it is. Yeah, man, people, you already know from the title we are deal with today. But you don't know the routine. You already know. Before we jump into that, please take the time to go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please, and turn on the notification bell. Go ahead right now, guys. Comment where you're watching from. Comment the city you're in. Comment if you love your mom. Comment if you're real and not fake. Comment if you're islander. Comment if you're foreigner. Comment. You know what I'm saying? Comment if you love music. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. And yeah, turn on like the video, turn on post notification bell. It really help me with the YouTube algorithms, help me get my videos out there and help my channel grow. So I really appreciate it if you guys take the time to like the video. But yeah, man, from the title where I deal to the people. Yeah, I see with all the artists that's no stranger to the channel. Been on the channel multiple times before and we're back at again with another one. And you already know who I'm talking about today. We're talking about Tory Lanez. He dropped a new music video and a new song entitled Mucky James. Okay, a lot of people say he's talking about somebody or he's dropping, you know, but we're gonna check out what's going on. It's entitled Mucky James. You already know Tory Lanez, one of the latest, most talented artists out of Toronto, Canada. So you already know we're gonna check it out. Hopefully live up to the reputation and keep it going. Let's jump right in the track. This is Tory Lanez, Mucky James. Let's get it.
Niggas ain't looking at what I'm looking at. I look at my son in the fuck.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Tory Lanez got one of the hardest drip. Have one of the dopest drip game in rap, in music, period. Like, this man's style is crazy. Y'all can't deny it. He just better than Drake by far. So Drake can't be the drippier, but Tory Lanez, one of the freshest rappers, Canada or America, by far. This man's swag is crazy.
Eyes, nigga, you looking at me like I'm a zero. So I gotta put food on that motherfucker tape, nigga. This shit is lame to y'all niggas. This shit funny to y'all niggas. This shit ain't funny to me, nigga. Starting to give like 0 fucks, but how it's going down. They try to blackball me for money, but I ain't going out. I told myself I start this bullshit and I speak up more. I done had to go through way more bullshit here than endure. And these bitches try to play me out like they ain't know my name. Yeah. I was at a high in my career, you think I come out here and if you think I would do that shit, you want some stupid shit. Don't need to do that shit, my Haitian hoes a woo a bitch. I can't lie temporarily, that bitch.
Ooh, this nigga says Asian war a bit. Ooh, come on, this man was spitting. I was lost in the song for a minute. Hold on,
came and ruined shit. They can't believe I'm back popping. I'm out here doing shit. Hey Tory, stop talking about it. I wish I could, but dog, I'm only human. Sometimes that shit be getting to me. Yeah. Not one of them niggas that be faking what he feeling. I'm gon' talk about it. Meek Mill, he used to be my dog. He did some flaw shit to me. And when I brought it up, look, I wouldn't even talk about it. Ain't beefing with you.
Oof, damn, Meek Mill's done turn you back on your boy. How you do that? You turn your back on Tory, that's what happened on.
Yeah. Not one of them niggas that be faking what he feeling, I'm gon' talk about it. Meek Mill, he used to be my dog, he did some flaw shit to me.
Damn, son.
And when I brought it up, look, I wouldn't even talk about it. Ain't beefing.
Meek Mill used to be my dog, he did some flaw shit to me. When I brought it up, I want to talk about it.
With your cuz, I swear I'm more hurt than anything.
Man, say I ain't beefing with your dog, I'm more hurt than anything. Damn, Meek Mill, why you snake Tory Lanez, my G? Come on, what's going on with y'all? Y'all think this sneaking your homies shit is cool, bro? It's not cool. What's wrong with y'all?
I'm at this point in life where I don't stress the petty thing. With all these rocks on my finger, they look like wedding rings. Sometimes I think about Kaylani and how we ended things. And when I express myself, I know that I can choose my words a little better. But I'm back out to the wall, you know the world against me. When your back is to the wall, you just lose all affection. Sitting in rooms full of smiles, I know they all against you. But as long as you don't die, will make you strong, don't kill you. They try to have me locked down and
As long as you don't die, will make you strong, won't kill you. Come on.
the ground and fences, flying private through the sky.
But you already know what it means, you know what don't kill you, make you stronger. Hey.
And I'm with all my niggas, mama, you in heaven, pray for me. Cause I ain't never had so many fuck niggas out here hating me. Like I ain't never had so many people out here playing me. I put these billboards in their city just so they could see me. Just let my dog just.
Ooh, never have so much niggas hating on me. Niggas say I put my billboard in their city just so they can see me. Come on.
Hold the road so he can drive it. Been thinking a lot about Trina lately, I owe you 20 M's. Been having the world all on my shoulder, but I ain't forget about you. You held me down when I most needed, and I made plenty M's. I'm soon to call up Rolls Royce and tell them ship it out the 222 Maybach, bought that shit 300,000. 450 next day on that Cully, man, I'm fucking wildin'. Lil' Sammy Sam, the only chick out here that didn't doubt me. She could find myself at her apartment when my vision clouded.
Ooh, come on, come on.
I be needing something real, and I can't be around it if that shit ain't gon' be genuine. Feeling like I'm 50, dog, I'm hated on by many men.
Ooh, come on, Tory, you spitting your shit on this one, man, come on.
Never heard a bitch, but
You ever hear the nigga rap about his yeah, this how you do it. Y'all ain't gotta keep talking about this shallow shit every time you day, you know what I'm saying? Just, and you ain't gotta rap about all that girly shit like Drake, you know, feelings, even though Drake one of my favorite rappers, don't get it twisted. You know what I'm saying? But niggas see like they gotta talk about material shit, money and all that. Can talk about, you know, feelings and all the concert shit. Just like what Tory do, just like what Drake do, where you ain't gotta do like in the Drake the feeling. You know what I'm saying? Come on.
fuck niggas, I kill any of them. And I ain't playing, I want 100 M's. Ain't no Twitter cancel culture can make me bring it in. If we talking cancel culture, dog, that shit don't even exist. Just look at me, bitch, I can be a witness. Yeah.
Cancel culture
don't exist. To that point where I don't give a fuck.
Hey, talk your shit, Tory. Tell me cancel culture no exist, brother. Them can't cancel. Tory was on his way to be one of the biggest artists out right now. With quarantine radio and everything he's been doing with music, he was on the way. So they had to slow the boy down. You know what I'm saying? He was getting too big. They had to slow him down. He's doing independent shit with NFTs, and they had to slow him down. They had to try and stop him, but can't hold greatness. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys. That was Tory Lanez, Mucky James. Let me know what you think. What's going on? Which was your favorite part about the track? Was it the video, lyrics, melody, beat? What was it? It's the style, Tory Lanez swag. This, what is it? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Definitely know. Let me know what you want me to react to next, and how I can improve the channel. What better content I can bring y'all. Keep y'all entertained. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. This was Tory Lanez, Mucky James. Real dope track. Real dope track. Real dope visuals. I like it. You know, there was some disses in there and then. You know what I'm saying? But you know, a dope track, man. I hope you keep it up. Don't know. Guys, the boy John Bisco is trying to hit on a smash out. Banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.